This is lesson 1 for year 9 on the chemistry unit, Does It Matter? You should all have a new book that's been sent out to you, and we're going to work through lesson 1 first. Firstly, I would like you to number all the pages in your book. So I've showed you page 1 and you should get up to page 54. So if you can number them, that would be a great help, and it will make your life easier as I'm going through the lessons with you over the next couple of weeks. For lesson 1, we're going to look at pages 1 to 5. I want you to look at the next 2 slides, then complete page 1 of the booklet. Then read slides 6 and 7. So this is help for page 1. The particle or kinetic theory. We have met this before. We've met this in year 7. This explains how particles behave in the different states of matter and the changes between the states of matter. And there shouldn't be a full stop there, so apologies. Matter is anything that has mass and takes up space. All solids, liquids and gases, which are states of matter, are made up of small particles called atoms. And what you can see is a solid, the atoms or the particles are all in fixed rows, all very, very close together. In liquids, they're separated slightly. Some are still touching, some aren't. They've got more energy, they're moving more. And in a gas, they're moving much, much more quickly. They're spread out. So if you heat up, you add energy to a solid, it becomes a liquid. If you add energy to a liquid, it becomes a gas. And on the reverse side, when you remove energy, so when you cool it down, so when you cool down the gas, it becomes a liquid. When you cool down a liquid, it becomes a solid. Kinetic theory, this is the matter made up of tiny particles. Matter is made up of tiny particles called atoms. The differences between solids, liquids and gases are due to the spacing and movement of these atoms. And you can see these atoms now in solids. They're held very tightly together. So read through these slides so you know how the atoms and the particles behave, are structured, and what they look like in solids, liquids and gases. And again, we've got liquids here and we've got gases here. On Moodle, there is a video called Lesson 1 on Kinetic Theory, and I would like you to watch the video. There are 4 experiments on there, and I want you to fill in pages 2, 3, 4 and 5 in your booklets.